to the Money Moves studio. This week we're talking about all things arbitrage. Yesterday we covered the risks with regards to arbitrage, and it kind of made me realize that I am ready to go on this journey. So Paul, can you please tell me today, what is all the things I need to know with regards to my capital? How much can I do it with? What the source of funds should be? I'm all ears.
Ingrid, so there is a minimum. As I explained in the previous episode, there is a minimum because there are fixed transaction costs. So if you trade with too little money, it kind of eats your profits away and you don't make any money. So the minimum at this stage is 100,000 Rand. And this is very important to all the viewers. The source of funds is the most important. So your trades go through SARS. They need to approve the money leaving the country, and they are very strict. Where does this money come from? So what is allowed? So let's go through the source of funds. Right, so you need 100,000 Rand. Loans, interspousal loans. You can loan money to your wife or your husband. Any loan provided by a registered bank, in other words, a personal loan, an overdraft, credit facility, a shareholders or directors loan if you have a company. Next, savings from your salary. So you have to provide your salary slip and your bank statement. Your investments, your flexible investments, dividends, inheritance money, sale of a property, distribution from a trust, and finally your retirement or your provident fund payout when you eventually retire.
Okay, that is quite a list. So I think a lot of people are relieved to know that they can take part in this arbitrage method. But now I've got a question, seeing that I know that crypto really popped off the past few weeks. I am sitting with quite a good pocket of profit. Can I use my profit made from my crypto?
Everyone wants to know that. No crypto profits allowed. It's not the source of funds that is allowed by SARS. And also, Ingrid, no donations from your friend or your father or your nephew. No donations. It has to be one of the sources of funds as listed earlier in the video. Okay,
Paul, so you just mentioned SARS, and I'm kind of getting the idea that there's more information that you can share with us with regards to SARS and how they tax the money that I'm making. Please share with me.
The elephant in the room, SARS. You know, this is a player in the game. How does it work? Do I get taxed? Is it regulated? Ingrid, I'll tell you all about that in the next episode.
He did it again. See you tomorrow.